How to search for hotels on Agoda. First of all, open the app on your device. On the main screen, tap on the hotels section at the top. Here you will see the search bar. Next, enter your destination, city or hotel name where you want to stay and select the check-in and check-out dates. You can also specify the number of guests and rooms needed. After entering the details, tap Search. Agoda will display a list of available hotels with prices, ratings, and amenities. You can filter the results by price, star rating, location, facilities, or guest reviews to find the perfect option. You can also sort hotels by price, popularity, or guest rating to make it easier to choose. Tap on any hotel to view more details including photos, room options, cancellation policy, and special offers. Once you find a hotel you like, you can save it to your favorite or proceed to book directly. Agoda also shows exclusive deals and discount, making your hotel booking experience faster and more convenient. Now you know how to search for hotels on Agoda. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more booking tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.